It's a routine end-of-summer renovation at Zephyr Elementary. A maintenance crew is sanding window trim in a first-floor classroom, the kind of job that happens every few years to keep the building looking fresh. The building was constructed in 1964, but nobody on the crew is EPA certified in compliance with the Lead, Renovation, Repair, and Painting, or RRP rule. Nobody checked whether the paint contained lead before the sanding started, and by the end of the day, fine dust had settled across the classroom, on desks, on the floor, and on the windowsill where kids may rest their arms. The room is cleaned over the weekend with a standard vacuum, and school starts on Monday. It's only later, when facility staff members decide to run a lead paint test on the trim as part of a broader building assessment, that the picture becomes clearer. The top layers of paint are fine. Decades of repainting have covered them over. But the deeper layers, closer to the original surface, still test positive for lead. And sanding doesn't only affect the top layer, it penetrates to the wood base. This is one of the most common pathways for lead exposure in school settings, and it's entirely preventable with the right policies, trained staff, and a clear understanding of what the law requires before work begins. In this lesson, we'll walk through how to assess for both lead and the last hazardous material we'll cover in this lesson series, mercury. We'll discuss what prevention looks like in practice for both of these hazardous materials, and review how to respond quickly and safely when either one is found.